Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number TPU5668. This is your 16-inch offset strap hinge for your trailer and RV doors. Let's check it out. All right, so this is your 16-inch offset strap hinge for your trailer and RV doors, but it can also be used for just about anything else, any other application you need. So it has a bent hinge pivot point for an extra 5/16 corner clearance and a 1/2-inch offset gap for thickness for thicker door sills, as you can see, that gap right there, and the bend in it to accommodate for doors. It's a zinc finish, so it's corrosion resistant, and it's going to last a lot longer outdoors versus non-zinc plated. So we're just going to measure it out real quick. We'll start from center of one hole to center of the other hole right here. So from center of one hole to center of the other hole, it's going to be 6 1/4, center to center. And then from the two holes right here, so from center of one to center of the other one right here, it's 3 1/4 inches. The overall length is going to be 16 1/4 by 2 inches. And this piece right here is going to be 4 3/8 by 1 1/2 inches. And the square hole diameters, we'll just measure that out real quick as well. So the square holes are going to be 0.34 of an inch. So about 7/8 holes. And if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.